Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
I once tried using 17 different apps to run my business, and at the end of the month, I had 17 passwords and zero productivity. So let's skip the agony and jump right into pricing. When it comes to Flowlu, this platform positions itself as an all-in-one business management and CRM suite that combines project management, invoicing, finance, collaboration, time tracking, and more into a single integrated system. Flowlu gives you a free forever plan that doesn't expire and doesn't require a credit card, which makes it a low-risk way to start managing your work, CRM, and finances without paying anything upfront. For teams that need more power, Flowlu's paid plans are priced per user per month. The Essential plan starts at around $12 per user per month when billed yearly and adds multiple sales pipelines, email sync, CRM, reports, Gantt charts, backlogs and sprints, recurring tasks, and finance tools that go beyond what most free plans include. Moving up to the Advanced plan, which is often around $22 per user per month when billed yearly, you get sales automations, client portals, recurring invoices, multi-organization support, advanced custom fields, billable hours tracking, and workflow automations that are designed for teams that need both operational control and automation. At the highest end, Flowlu offers a custom Ultimate plan that includes enterprise-level features like extended API capacity, advanced analytics, enterprise HR tools, role-based access controls, and dedicated onboarding and support. Now compare that with SuiteDash's pricing approach, which takes a very different philosophy, especially for small teams and service-based businesses. SuiteDash doesn't charge per user at all. Instead, it uses a tiered flat pricing model with all plans, including unlimited clients and internal users, which makes budgeting predictable even as your team grows. According to official SuiteDash pricing information, you can start with the Start plan at $19 per month, which includes a host of integrated toolkits, file storage, and basic CRM and client portal functionality. The next tier, Thrive, is priced at $49 per month and adds larger storage, autoresponder drip marketing, client-side live chat, and more automation toolkits. At the highest tier, Pinnacle, priced at $99 per month, you get the full suite including LMS learning management, support tickets, task dependencies, customer journeys, and 2 terabytes of file storage. All of this comes without per user fees and with unlimited capacity for clients, staff, and users, which is ideal if you anticipate scaling without worrying about rising costs. With the pricing comparison out of the way, let's dive into Flowlu's features because this is a platform that tries to replace many disparate tools with one cohesive system. At its core, Flowlu's CRM tools allow you to capture leads, manage contacts and pipelines, automate follow-ups, sync with email, and produce CRM performance reports that help you understand your sales process. On the project management side, Flowlu gives you multiple views like Kanban boards, list views, backlogs, and sprints, plus advanced tools like task dependencies, subtasks, milestones, and Gantt charts that automatically adjust schedules when task relationships change. Finance and billing tools let you create invoices, estimates, online payments, and expense tracking, and generate financial reports like profit and loss or cash flow statements without needing separate accounting software. Collaboration features include private and group chat, company feeds, comments, mentions, shared calendars, and even mind maps that help teams align visually and contextually. Time tracking is built in as well, letting you track planned versus actual time, billable hours, and time logged by user or project, while customizable fields, templates, and automation rules let you tailor the system to your business processes. Flowlu also includes HR functions like basic team organization, org charts, and time off management, and integrations with major tools expand its flexibility. Now let's talk honestly about Flowlu's pros and cons. On the plus side, Flowlu's biggest advantage is that it truly combines many critical business functions into one platform, CRM, task and project management, financial tools, collaboration, and time tracking, helping you reduce the number of paid subscriptions you need and centralize work. The free plan is surprisingly capable, and value for money is one of its strengths, as many users find that it replaces several separate systems at a lower total cost. Flowlu's customizable workflows, automation options, and reporting dashboards also give teams insight and control that many other all-in-one tools lack. On the downside, the interface can feel overwhelming to new users because there are so many modules and options, and some reports suggest that certain advanced. Now let's move into SuiteDash features, because this platform is built with a very specific goal in mind: helping service-based businesses manage clients, operations, and delivery from one centralized system. SuiteDash is positioned as an all-in-one business management platform that combines CRM, project management, client portals, automation, marketing, billing, and internal collaboration under one roof. One of SuiteDash's core strengths is its client portal functionality. Businesses can create branded portals where clients can log in to view projects, exchange messages, upload and download files, submit forms, approve work, sign contracts, access invoices, and even consume learning content, all without switching tools. On the internal side, SuiteDash includes CRM tools that allow teams to manage leads, contacts, pipelines, and customer journeys, with automation rules that trigger emails, task creation, status changes, and follow-ups based on client actions. Project and task management is fully integrated, supporting task lists, subtasks, dependencies, milestones, and workflows that can be tied directly to client records. SuiteDash also includes billing tools such as invoicing, recurring payments, proposals, and payment collection, making it possible to manage the entire client lifecycle from onboarding to payment inside the same platform. Marketing and communication features include email campaigns, autoresponder sequences, live chat widgets, support ticketing, and announcement systems that keep clients informed and engaged. Another standout area is automation. SuiteDash allows users to build automations across CRM, projects, billing, and communication, reducing repetitive manual work and improving consistency. The platform also includes role-based permissions, advanced security controls, white label branding options, and extensive customization, allowing businesses to tailor the system to their workflows, rather than adapting their workflows to the software. Now let's talk honestly about SuiteDash pros and cons. On the positive side, SuiteDash offers exceptional value by combining many tools that would otherwise require separate subscriptions. Its flat pricing with unlimited users and clients makes it highly scalable for growing agencies and service businesses. The depth of automation, white label options, and client portal capabilities are major advantages for businesses that want a professional, polished client experience. However, SuiteDash is not without drawbacks. The platform has a steep learning curve, especially for new users, due to the sheer number of features and configuration options. The interface can feel complex at first, and proper setup requires time and planning. Some users also report that performance can slow down when using many modules at once, and that onboarding is almost essential to unlock the platform's full potential. Now let's touch on ratings. According to Capterra, both Flowlu and SuiteDash generally receive strong user ratings, often averaging around 4.8 to 4.9 stars, based on aggregated customer reviews. These ratings reflect overall user satisfaction, but can vary by region and over time. Viewers should always check the latest listings on Capterra directly, as this information is based on user feedback and not official endorsements from the software providers themselves. Final takeaway time. If you're looking for an all-in-one business platform that balances CRM, project management, finance, and collaboration at a competitive per-user price, Flowlu is a powerful option that offers flexibility and strong value. If your priority is delivering a fully branded client experience with deep automation, unlimited users, and predictable flat pricing, SuiteDash is hard to beat, especially for agencies and service-based businesses. If this comparison helped you decide, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth software breakdowns, and click the link below to access the software and see which platform fits your workflow best.